In this video, we're going to be going over creating goals in Google Analytics. To get to that screen, once you're all logged in here, we'll go to Admin, and then Goals over here on the far right. And then we're going to hit New Goal. And so let's go ahead and head over to our website and figure out a convertible action that we want to track, or a step towards a convertible action. One of the goals that I usually use is their contact page, because there's usually several different ways to get a hold of a business on their contact page. And so I would consider somebody going to the contact page a step towards a conversion. So we're going to go ahead and track this page. So I'm going to copy just the slug off of the URL and then go back over to Analytics. Let's see, so we're going to name this goal, and for this one we're just going to call it contact page. And this is a destination, is the type of goal we're going after. So hit continue. And so here is where we're going to put in the destination for this goal. And so we don't need the whole URL. You can just use the end of the slug. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to hit save. Easy as that. Now we have a goal set up that every time somebody goes to the contact page, we're going to be able to track that. In the next video, we'll go over some other types of goals, event-based goals, which is a little bit more in depth. It takes Tag Manager alongside analytics to get those to fire. So stay tuned for that.